Other news worth your attention this Wednesday, and in fact it's news just at hand. The Pietermaritzburg High Court has struck off the roll former President Jacob Zuma's private prosecution case against advocate Billy Downer and journalist Karyn Maughan. Let's get you the latest on this. Bring in Simphiwe Makhanya, who's been watching developments and joins us once again from just outside court. Simphiwe, dare I ask, does this mark the end of the road, at least insofar as this matter is concerned?
Not at all, Ayanda. According to what happened here today, we do of course know that the former president still has that pending appeal at the Constitutional Court. A short while ago, Judge Nkosinathi Chili making that short judgment saying that former President Jacob Zuma's private prosecution matter against advocate Billy Downer as well as journalist Karyn Maughan has been removed from the role on this particular one. But of course, we do know that the former president said through his lawyers the last time that this matter was here that he was in fact going to be appealing the judgment which was handed down by the Supreme Court of Appeal. So one more step to go before there is finality in terms of what transpires here today. And of course, the judge saying earlier on that if former President Jacob Zuma succeeds in his appeal at the Concourt, the matter will then, be expected to be back here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court, where accused Karyn Maughan as well as advocate Billy Downer will need to present themselves to this very court where we are. But of course, outside the Pietermaritzburg High Court, former President Jacob Zuma supporters, are still in high spirit. They've been, chanting slogans, singing some of them inside the courtroom after the judgment was delivered. Of course, they've been using this particular, platform or time to campaign for Umkhonto Wesizwe, which is the party that is led by former President Jacob Zuma. Ayanda.
Judge clearly give any reasons, Simphiwe? I mean, was he expected to?
He was expected to, and he did say, Ayanda, that former President Jacob Zuma will not suffer any prejudice if this particular matter is struck off the roll, as it has been, saying that, of course, they await what is going to be coming from the Constitutional Court to see as to whether, this particular private prosecution matter will be, going ahead. But in terms of where matters stand at the moment, the private prosecution against state prosecutor advocate Billy Downer and legal journalist Karyn Maughan has been removed from the role.